स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 10th इंग्लिश से हमारी पोएम फायर एंड आइस, एंड दिस पोएम इज रिटन बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट. स्टूडेंट्स, these two words, fire and ice, both are very commonly used words. Fire means आग, ice means बर्फ. But according to Robert Frost, this poem has a very deep meaning. The poet has used fire and ice as symbols. So, first of all, look at the text. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Students, word meaning. Favor means take side, paksh lena, and hold means agree, सहमत होना. In the first stanza, poet says कि जो वर्ल्ड है वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा, संसार का विनाश हो जाएगा. और संसार का विनाश कौन कर देगा? फायर. और पोएट फेवर करते हैं, पक्ष लेते हैं उन लोगों का जो ये कहते हैं कि संसार के विनाश के लिए, संसार के नष्ट होने में किसका हाथ होगा? फायर का, आग. And in the second stanza, but if it had to perish twice, perish means destroy, नष्ट होना. I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Suffice means sufficient, enough, पर्याप्त, काफी. So students, always learn two words which have been used as symbols. First one is fire. Fire means heat of desire, इच्छाओं की आग. And second one is ice. Ice means hatred. And four word meanings. First one is hold. Hold means agree. Second one is favor. Favor means take side, पक्ष लेना. Perish means destroy, नष्ट होना. And suffice means sufficient, enough, पर्याप्त. When we talk about the summary of this poem, we should say that there are two factors responsible for the destruction of the world. First one is fire and the second one is ice. Both are destructive. The poet has tasted both the fire and the ice. As we all know that he has used fire and ice as symbols. Fire means heat of desire, इच्छाओं की आग, and ice means hatred. So both these factors are responsible for the destruction of the world. The poet says that the world will be destroyed by fire. But if it survives, but somehow if it survives and if it has to perish twice, अगर ये संसार बच जाता है और इसका विनाश दोबारा अगर होना है, तो पोएट कहते हैं it can be destroyed by ice. Ice means hatred. तो हमारी इच्छाओं की आग और हमारे मन में जो नफरत होती है, वो ये दोनों ही फैक्टर्स होते हैं जो संसार के विनाश के लिए, संसार को नष्ट करने के लिए काफ़ी होते हैं. स्टूडेंट, to sum up, I would like to conclude that you should remember only two factors. First one is fire. Fire means heat of desire. And the second one is ice. Ice means hatred. And four difficult word meanings. Hold means agree, सहमत होना. Favor means take side, पक्ष लेना. Perish, destroy, नष्ट होना. और suffice means sufficient, enough या पर्याप्त. सो स्टूडेंट्स, होप आपको अच्छा लगा होगा और आप इस पोएम को अच्छे से अब आप लर्न कर पाएंगे, अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे. और इस पोएम के जो नोट्स हैं वो we are going to provide you through PPT in our next video. Thanks.